All right, I'm back. I just want to do a quick recap. Today, February 13th. It's a Wednesday. And just want to talk about some of the trades, system trades that happened here in the room. I'll start with the Russell. This is today. We just move over here. We did have a buy. Did not take it. It could have been taken, and trader's choice with a diverged state. It could have reversed out at break even or held the stop. I'm actually calling this a loser. Trader's choice to manage money that way. And then a lot of reverse divergence going on here, so no permission to sell. Had no real entry to get into this buy. So essentially, and then we get this V going on here. Happened prior day. So today, that's what you got going on there. In oil, I took a trade here based on a smaller time frame chart into reverse divergence on that time frame chart. No on my part, but in any case, there was a signal here. It was filtered out because of reverse divergence. Wasn't going to make the same mistake twice. You can see it here, line of sight. So that trade was filtered out, made a double bottom, came back up. This is a news release, 10:30 oil inventory. So we just kind of shot up real quick movement. There was a trade entry here 15 seconds after the news release. It did go 16 ticks. We're looking for a 20-tick target. Would have been the break even. So, that to me is really close to the news release to, 19 seconds after, especially after quick movement. Then we had a nice setup here. Alignment. I'm going to bring this in here. You can see alignment between the 4-wick and the 5-wick. Trades right here. Clear area of support. Trade into it. You can see the Momo look same on both charts. This is what we look for, alignment between two time frame charts. Take the signals. Decided to go with the targets on the longer time frame. 20-tick system target. So that was nice. Loser, winner. Up $90 for the day on one contract on two trades. It's not bad. Let me just pull in the YM here. Did have an entry here. This one did go exactly 16 ticks. This is on the YM. Would have gotten 15 out of it with a trail strategy. Once it hits your target, it comes up to a stop. Stop comes up right behind it, and it'll follow it up if it breaks through. So would have gotten 15 out of that. Really no other trade entry to speak of after that. And then we have the ES. Bring this in here. Basically have 3 trades on ES for today. We have a trade here. Entry, again here, stops 2 bricks, targets 4. So 8 ticks. This one went 7. So it went more than 75% of the way to the target. Come back to break even, we're out. You can do break even plus a tick, whatever's your choice. Same setup here again. Had a reset in momentum, reset in price cycle momentum, so gave us permission to go long. Made a higher high here, came back, a couple of ticks, made a double top, reversal bar, out of break even. Then you get a railroad track into the value zone, take a short here. This one went to be a winner. So the ES has got 2 break evens and a winner, full 8 ticks. So that, so far up to this point, which is about 11:35. And then I haven't looked at the euro. Let me just bring this in here and see what we have for today. Let's get this over. There really isn't, and I'm going to get to the time, the room open here. There really isn't a lot going on. Right, all this multi-day high support trading into it. You really want to reject off of this. We get out here. No room here. There is actually a trade right here. Didn't go anywhere to a double bottom. Technical double bottom. Again, through all this really, 3 prior days highs. So came through within a couple of ticks, double bottom reversal, Renko bar on the main time frame, get us out of break even. And then we're down here on this move, and you have some reverse divergence over multiple days, but it is pretty obvious, high in price, low in momentum, so it won't be taking this short. Matter of fact, I want to draw this in here so people looking at this video, which will be up on the website, can understand a little better what's going on there. So until that clears out all line of sight, the minute it becomes the line of sight is broken, it is no longer valid, the reverse divergence. So that's the euro. The dollar, really a similar type of look. Not much going on there. One trade prior to the market open, and then trailing. And that's it for the recap.